If you're looking into Intvu AI, this review is exactly what you need. Intvu AI is one of the most recent, powerful tools on the market, but there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. And trust me, this isn't just another AI tool, it's a game changer in the world of digital marketing. First off, what is Intvu AI? This software has been designed to streamline and supercharge your customer interactions. It's a next-level AI-powered platform that allows businesses to automate their customer service while still delivering a highly personalized experience. The first thing you'll notice is how easily it integrates into your workflow. Whether you're handling emails, chats, or social media inquiries, Intvu AI picks up where your team leaves off, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now let's dive into the first thing you need to know, its intuitive interface. Even if you're new to AI tools, Intvu has a super user-friendly interface that doesn't require any technical expertise. The platform is built to be intuitive, so you'll spend less time learning the ropes and more time seeing results. Everything from setting up automated responses to customizing how your AI interacts with your audience is straightforward and simple. The second thing worth mentioning is the advanced machine learning capabilities. Intvu AI doesn't just follow basic automation, it learns from each interaction. Over time, it becomes more efficient at handling different customer concerns and can adapt its responses to suit individual user preferences. This self-learning process makes it an invaluable tool for businesses that want to maintain a personal touch while scaling their operations. Another huge advantage is the seamless integration with other platforms. Whether you're using CRM tools, email marketing software, or social media management platforms, Intvu AI integrates effortlessly. This means you're not starting from scratch. It plugs directly into your existing tools and helps you optimize your customer interactions instantly. Now, let's talk data security. Intvu AI ensures that your business data is kept safe. With increasing concerns about data breaches, this AI software takes security seriously. They use high-level encryption, so your sensitive data remains protected, giving you peace of mind as you automate and streamline your customer service processes. The fourth thing you need to know is the ability to customize workflows. Intvu AI gives you complete control over how it interacts with your customers. You can program it to handle specific types of queries, route certain issues to human agents, and even follow up with users automatically. This level of customization means you can craft the exact experience you want for your customers. Let's not forget the pricing. Intvu AI offers a free trial, so you can dive in and test the waters before committing. No risk, just potential, and you'll have the chance to experience firsthand how this software works for your business. Check the first link below to give it a try for free. As we move on, Intvu AI's reporting and analytics are another standout feature. You'll get detailed insights into every interaction the AI has with your customers. This makes it super easy to track how well your automated system is performing and pinpoint areas for improvement. These insights are crucial for fine-tuning your strategy, and with real-time analytics, you can make data-driven decisions instantly. Lastly, let's talk about scalability. As your business grows, Intvu AI grows with you. Whether you're scaling to handle more customer inquiries or expanding to new platforms, Intvu AI can handle it. It's flexible, dynamic, and future-proof, making it the perfect tool for businesses looking to scale without losing the personal touch. If you're still on the fence about whether Intvu AI is right for your business, remember this. It's one of the best just released AI tools, and it's designed to help you streamline operations, boost customer satisfaction, and grow your business without burning out your team. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've got my recommended software linked below for you to try completely free. So after watching this video, check out the links and see for yourself why Intvu AI could be the right choice for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.